Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you some drop 2 moves. I played this video, I did some key changes, some cool things I know you're going to like. So let's take a listen to it. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so you may be asking, what is a drop 2? I've done several videos on drop 2s, but to go over it quickly, let's say you have a 4-note chord, right? A C major 7. A drop 2 is basically saying you're taking the second note from the top, which is 1, 2, the G, and you're going to put it in your left hand. If you have a F major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, take the second note from the top, which is C, 1, 2, put it in your left hand. Same thing applies if you have like a diminished chord, second note from the top, 1, 2, put it in your left hand, and you get a cool sound like this, right? Same thing also applies for minor chords, second note from the top, 1, 2, put it in your left hand, and you get that sound. So the drop 2 creates a fuller sound, right, than just playing it the regular way. It's very simple. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. The first thing I did was, so this move is just a leading line. So this may sound complicated. It's not easy if you're not accustomed to it, but it's easy if you're familiar with playing grace notes, right? But let's break it down. The first thing is, everyone can play that, right? Then this, and we're in the key of C, by the way. Everyone can do this as well. So now these are the grace notes and slurs. I've done several videos on slurs. You can check them out. So we have this, na 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 na. Right? So this is the other one. So the tough thing about this is not playing the slurs, it's jumping from here to here, right? And doing it so quickly. That is very complicated. Well, very tough, right? But I recommend you do it very slowly first. Do it slowly first and then speed up over time. So you may be spending a lot of time here if you're not accustomed to playing it. So that's the first piece. And the drop 2 starts on this move. Right? So let's listen to it. Alright, so when we're building these drop 2 moves, we're thinking about the melody. The first thing you should have in your mind is the melody. In this context, the melody is. So once you have the melody, guys, you can build out the drop 2 chords. So when I'm building the drop 2 chords with a melody, I'm thinking about, for that melody note, which major or minor chord has this at the top. So in this instance, you could say, alright, major chords. The F, yeah. So we could say, build that as a drop 2, we drop the second note. So in this instance, I used the F. You could also use A minor. The A minor has the C at the top. Play it as a drop 2, you could also do that. So you could use that as well, right? But I used the F. So now we have, so we need to find the drop 2 for this. We're going to ask the same question. Which major or minor chord has this at the top? There are a few chords you could use. You could say, alright, A. play the drop 2. Alright, so let's see if it makes sense in what we're playing. Maybe that's not what you're going for, so you could find something else. It's not the A, we could use the A minor. The A minor has the E at the top. So let's go. That could work. Let's see what else we could use. We have the C inversion, which has the E at the top. So we could do, and this, maybe this sounds more like what you want. And in this instance, this was what I selected. So guys, this is how you select your drop 2 chords based on the melody. The melody determines the chord. So in the melody, we have this so far. Now we need to find this. So the same question is being asked. Which major or minor chord has this note at the top? The first one you may see is C. I play it as a drop 2. And that was the one I selected. You could have a minor chord. Let's hear how it sounds. Right? Has an interesting sound, but that's not what we wanted. And I selected the C. Right? So the other one is, so this note, we need to ask the same question, which major or minor chord has this? You may say, well, this looks like a D. The D has the A at the top. Let's hear it sounds. So this may be something you don't want to create. If it's not what you're looking for, you could find something else. So you say, all right, D is not it. Let's try D minor. This sounds close, but that's not really what you have in your head. So let's find another chord. You could have the F inversion. F has the A at the top. And you may be saying, yes, this sounds like it. And in this instance, the F was what I selected. Alright, so in the melody, we have this. So that is the next part of the melody. So the left hand has this. Right? So you have to get used to playing that. And when I played it as the drop 2. So I'm holding down the C. Again. Right? So you have to spend time and work that out. The other part of the melody now is na 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 na. So we're gonna do the same thing, ask the same question. So for this, same questions. Which major or minor chord has this? And in this instance, I selected C. The C inversion has it at the top. This C wouldn't work, right? Because the melody is here. We want to keep the melody at the top. So we selected this. So no no no. So this now we selected G. So we have, and this we selected F. So we have, and to finish it off, this we selected the G again, and this C again, and we ended on the G. So that's the first key. We have 2 more key changes. So guys, this is how you're creating your drop 2s. You're using your melody to determine what the chords would be. All right. So now the song transitioned into E flat. Let's see how we went to E flat. If you want this full tutorial and brand new tutorials every single week, then join my membership. We have been going strong since September and the new lessons are being added every single week. Additionally, you get daily access directly to me on Discord. You can send me your videos privately, get feedback, and actually see what to fix so that you can improve faster. Guys, all of this just for $15 a month. That's an insane value you won't find anywhere else. As the membership grows, this price definitely gonna be going up, but if you tap in today right now, this $15 price will never ever change for you. Click the link in the video description to join us right now.